Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Next, we will talk about water safety. How to keep ourselves safe from water. We children, we love water at home. But sometimes when you drop water down, you can slip, you may fall when you run about. If there are small sister, brother you have, if you open the washroom and leave it, and if the bucket is full, they can fall into the bucket. So that's not safe. So children, a little bigger children like you should see that safety at home where water is concerned. One, not to throw water around, not to keep the washroom open where there's a bucket filled. Then you love to go for swimming. You love to go to the beach. When you go there, listen to the instruction of the parent. You'll go near the waterfall. Hold on to the wire, the iron bars that I put for you. Sometimes at home you have a well, you drop something in it. Call or inform the elders that you have dropped something. So a lot of things to remember. At the beach, do not go over a certain point. When you go swimming, children should not go to water. You should have water up to your waist level only. Don't go deeper and get into trouble. So a lot of things to remember. Although we love water, sometimes we forget about our own safety. So when you are in the water's place, water source, remember water safety. We'll write about water safety. We all love to play in the water. We all love to play in the water. We love to go to the beach. We love to go to the riverside. We love to go for swim. Okay, so we all love to play in the water. So what do? So we visit. So we go to the beach. What else you'll go? You go to the beach, to the riverside, to the river, to riverside, and you go to the beach, to the riverside, and for swimming. Now, we love water, we love to go to the beach, we like to go to the river, we like to go. Now, near all water bodies, we got to listen to our parents. Always obey the elders. Always obey the elders when you are near any water body. It's a very, very important. So when you are near any water body, always obey the elders. Listen to them. The safety rules will keep you always safe. Now, we are going to the beach. What must you do? You should not get into water where the areas are prohibited. The policeman will say, don't go beyond. At the beach, what must you do? Look for signboards. Look for boards. What will the signboard say? At the beach, look for signboards that say, do not go beyond. Do not go beyond. Look for signboards. So look for, don't go beyond where they instruct you. Next, when you are at the riverside, what will you do? Get help of elders at the riverside. Riverside. Get help of the elders. When you go for swimming, what must you remember? The children should not go beyond the chest deep water. At the pool, children should not go beyond, children should not swim, should not swim beyond the restricted point or restricted area. You should go only this much and not beyond that. Now, supposing you have well at home. Well, if there is a well at home, do not peep into it if you have dropped something. Do not peep. Because when you peep, you can slip over. Do not peep into it if you have dropped something. If you have dropped something. Now, that's at home. Now, if there are small children, if there are small children at home, there are small children at home, then what must you do? Keep the washroom, restroom closed. Keep the toilets. Keep the toilet closed. Then what must you do as children? Do not throw water. Do not throw water on the floor. It's become slippery on the floor because you can fall, or if there are older people, they also can fall. Now, let's say, in spite of taking precaution here, you get into trouble or somebody get drowned. What will you do? What is the first aid? First aid used. First aid used in helping a drowned person. Drowned person. What is it? First, bring the person out of water. Get the person. Get the person out. And make him lie down. Make him lie down. Get the water off. Press his stomach to get the water out. Press the stomach. Press the stomach to get the water out. to get the water out. Lastly, call the doctor. Call the doctor. To further help the person. Okay, now, so water safety. We're talking about in water, what safety can you practice? How can you keep safe even though you love water? Even you may be at home, still you can be not safe. You may be at the beach, you can be not safe. So follow the rules. Even then, when it happens, what must you do? Water safety. We all love to play in the water. We all love water. So we go to the beach, to the riverside, and for swimming. So these are the places you go where there's water to play and to learn swimming. Always obey the elders when you are near any water body. At the beach, look for a signboard that say, do not go beyond this, or there might be loose sand. At the riverside, get the help of the elders. At the pool, when you're swimming, children should not go beyond certain point. Always obey. Now, if there is a well in the house safety, there's a well in the house, and do not peep into it if you have dropped something or you want to see if there is a fish or a frog in it. Be careful. If there are small children in the house, keep always the toilets closed. Toilet door should be always locked. The children can fall into the bucket. Do not throw water on the floor so that the little ones and the elders can fall and break. In case a person get drowned, what's the first aid that you will follow? The first aid used in helping a drowned person. First, get the person out, make him lie down, press the stomach to get the water out. Meanwhile, call the doctor to further help the person to safety.